Jambo and welcome back. We are going to speak about how to change a cell's background. So taking an example of the total column, I'm going to give background color of, let's say, dark blue. Okay, and then change the font color to white. So this represents the font color, a font type color, and this one is the background color. So you go to the home tab of the home report and then select the background color from here. If you want to change the color of a range of cells, you just select the range of cells, be it continuous or non-continuous, and just again go to the home ribbon tab and click on this. Okay, so the problem is we've changed the background color, but we've not changed the color of the font. Change the color there. Okay, so that's how you can do it. The other way is selecting an uncontinuous range of cells like this. Personal budget, then control or command in MacBook, select the other cell and just go to home again and click on that. Then click on changing color, because not all the times will you need to change the font color, but now I have to change because blue as a background color just swallows black. You'll not be able to see through. So that's how you're able to change one cell's color, background color, or a range of cells background color. See you in the next video, where we are going to speak about adding cell borders. See you then. Bye bye.